Best laptop for programmers in 2020.
1. HP Spectre X360. The best laptop for programming in 2020. Reasons to buy. 1. Stylish and high-quality finish. 2. Great all-around performance. Reasons to avoid. 1. Battery life takes a hit. 2. Can run hot at times. Why we picked it. The HP Spectre X360 2-in-1 laptop has had a big refresh for 2020, and the boost in specs, with 10th generation Intel Core processors and Intel Iris Plus graphics, along with the impeccable 2-in-1 design and pristine gem-cut chassis, means that the new version has shot straight to the top of our best laptops for programmers list. The HP Spectre line has always consisted of stunning devices. So, when we say that the Spectre X360 takes things to another level, that should mean something. Not only is this one of the most beautiful laptops on the market right now, with its gem-cut design and sleek profile, but it's tough on the inside. HP fitted this with impressively long battery life, which means that you're getting one of the best laptops on the market, hands down. As such, it's also the best laptop for programming right now. 2. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme laptop. Great power, massive price tag. Reasons to buy. 1. So much power. 2. Glorious 4K screen. 3. Great user experience. Reasons to avoid. 1. Heavy. 2. Expensive. Why we picked it. If you have the funds for an unstoppable workhorse, then Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Extreme mobile workstation is the best laptop for programming for you. This gets our vote as one of the best Lenovo laptops for many reasons. It has several configurations on hand, depending on your needs and budget, but at its most basic, it's already pretty powerful, packed with a solid graphics card and a robust carbon fiber and aluminum package that will survive any office or field. 3. HP EliteBook X360 1040G5 2-in-1. The best business laptop just got better. Reasons to buy. 1. Nifty design and stylus. 2. Great performance. 3. Plenty of ports. Reasons to avoid. 1. Battery life disappointing. 2. Expensive. 3. Uneven anti-glare display. Why we picked it. The EliteBook X360 1040G5 is, without a doubt, the apex predator of the business world. It's not the perfect machine, but it's got plenty of features that make up for its flaws. It boasts many excellent features in its handsome-looking chassis, as well as plenty of ports, a port that works wonders and impressively audio. Simply put, it's fit for the professional who demands seamlessness and power at work, making it the best laptop for programming. MacBook Air 2020. New and improved for 2020. Reasons to buy. 1. Lower price of entry. 2. New 10th generation processors. 3. Improved keyboard. Reasons to avoid. 1. Screen colors a little muted. 2. Battery life only okay. 3. Webcam still just 720p. Why we picked it. Apple's thinnest and lightest MacBook is back in 2020 with a vengeance. Not only has it fixed a lot of the complaints with its predecessors, namely, that problematic keyboard is now gone, replaced by a drastically improved keyboard. Thanks to improved hardware for better performance and an affordable price, the 2020 MacBook Air is a brilliant laptop for programming on. It keeps that same light and slim design, which means it's easy to sling into a bag and carry around with you, but it also has enough oomph to make programming on it a joy. 5. MacBook Pro, 16-inch, 2019. An incredibly powerful workstation. Reasons to buy. 1. Stunning 16-inch screen. 2. New and improved keyboard. Reasons to avoid. 1. Expensive. 2. Limited to 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Why we picked it. When you're looking for the best laptop for programming, especially if you're developing software for macOS, you're eventually going to find yourself looking at the MacBook Pro. And the new MacBook Pro, with its powerful processor and heaps of RAM, is the fastest MacBook that the Cupertino tech behemoth has ever birthed. As thin, light and sleek as ever, this doesn't feel like a 16-inch behemoth. If you're worried that this was going to be bulky and awkward to use, don't be. Yet, despite its svelte frame, you're still getting that extra real estate on that stunning display, as well as the latest and greatest components behind it. Apple then rounds those out with amazing speakers and a much better keyboard. This is truly the best MacBook for content creators, designers and other creative professionals. 6. Microsoft Surface Pro 7. A great tablet for programmers. Reasons to buy. 1. USB-C finally. 2. Now with Wi-Fi 6. Reasons to avoid. 1. Overall loss in battery life. 2. USB-C is in Thunderbolt 3. Why we picked it. The 7th iteration of Microsoft's award-winning product may not be the generational leap many Microsoft tablets have been waiting for, but it offers some improvements from its predecessor. This 2-in-1 tablet aimed at pros has received impressive gains in power, making it more capable than ever as a laptop alternative. Also, it now boasts a USB-C port and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. With its quad-core processors and plenty of RAM, you'll be able to compile code quickly and efficiently, even when you're on the move. Just keep in mind that you'll have to pay extra for the type cover. You're not going to want to get any coding done on a touchscreen, trust us. 7. Google Pixelbook. The best Chromebook for programming. Reasons to buy. 1. Beautiful design. 2. Awesome keyboard. Reasons to avoid. 1. Chrome OS not as refined as other operating systems. Why we picked it. Yes, a Chromebook has made our best laptop for programming list. That's because Google Pixelbook is powerful enough to contend with the Surfaces and MacBooks of the world. Admittedly, the Chromeos is not as good a place to program as Windows or macOS. However, the Pixelbook's support of Android makes it a must-own laptop for any Android developer. The fact that this laptop succeeds the now discontinued Google Chromebook Pixel, which was designed by and for Google's own developers, should give it some street cred in the eyes of coders. 8. Asus Chromebook Flip C436F or C436FA. A whole lot of hits. Reasons to buy. 1. Superb performance. 2. Premium build and features. 3. Impressive keyboard. Reasons to avoid. 1. Subpar speakers. 2. Erratic touchpad. 3. Touch display not accurate enough. Why we picked it. Premium Chromebooks occupy their own space in the laptop market, bridging that gap between powerful traditional laptops and super lightweight Chromebooks. And the Asus Chromebook Flip C436F is perhaps one of the very few examples of these out there, with its combination of superb power, terrific feature set, premium build and a price tag that's cheaper than its rivals. That makes this portable perfect for web developers who need a powerful machine. 9. Microsoft Surface Book 2, 13.5-inch. The most powerful 2-in-1 laptop in the world. Reasons to buy. 1. Very good battery life. 2. Powerful. Reasons to avoid. 1. Pricey. 2. No Surface Pen included. Why we picked it. The Surface Book 2 is an excellent choice for any coders out there, as Microsoft has crafted one of the most powerful 2-in-1 laptops on the planet. After all, it boasts components powerful enough to handle pretty much everything you could throw at it, including some light gaming in your downtime. If you're looking for a larger display, there's a 15-inch model, which also features beefier components, albeit at a higher price tag. 10. MacBook Pro, 13-inch, 2020. Worth the upgrade at the highest configuration. Reasons to buy. 1. Improved specs. 2. Larger capacity SSD for starting model. 3. New keyboard is great. Reasons to avoid. 1. Entry-level model still has 8th Gen Intel CPU. 2. You still only get Thunderbolt 3 ports. Why we picked it. The MacBook Pro, 13-inch, 2020, second's entry-level model may miss out on some of the lineup's new toys. However, going for the higher-end configurations will get you new and powerful Intel processors and improved RAM speeds for better performance, all packed in the 13-inch incredibly svelte body. Apple rounds it all out with that incredible Magic Keyboard from the new 16-inch, finally getting rid of that problematic keyboard, making it a worthy and comfortable-to-use adversary in the best laptop for programming category. Even if you don't go for the 10th generation Intel Core configurations, you might still appreciate the fact that all models come with more storage capacity for the same price as their predecessors.